Latria. I'm a student from Franklin High School, and I'm also at the SEA. All right. The first time that I heard of the Student Conservation Association was when Sarah Weigel came into my drawing class at Franklin High School and gave a presentation about SCA. At first I wasn't so sure about working outdoors because I don't like bugs, period. Afterwards, I thought about it and I thought to myself, hey, why not? I have nothing to do over the summer and I would like to make new friends and learn about other people's cultures. So I decided to apply for a summer crew position and I was offered the job. My first day of work with SCA was at Thornton Creek Park. Hey, Thornton Creek. I joined the crew the day after the program had started. So when I met the other crew members, I was shy and didn't really say much. Someone from SCA came over and showed me a tree that had been taken over by ivy. He told me that my mission was to save that tree by removing all the ivy. He asked me if I needed help and I said, no man, I got this. And I began pulling the ivy. By lunch I had removed all the ivy and saved the tree. I was very proud of myself because I helped a part of nature. What I liked about my crew is that they were so welcoming, energetic, and diverse. After a while, I started warming up to them and began talking. Everyone was surprised that I started talking because I never talked at all. I found out about everyone's race, religion, hobbies, and come to find out we had things in common. We taught each other different things every day. We worked together as a team, and that team started turning into a big, happy family.
Aww.
One of my favorite memories was a turnpike project. After evaluating the water flow in the area, we realized that there were some ferns that could be damaged. So I worked with Jay and Jabira to change the water flow and protect the ferns. I also had to replant a fern. That was totally cool. That was the best moment of my life because we had saved the beautiful ferns. I couldn't stop smiling the whole day. Another favorite memory was when I was leaving the work site one day and I saw a family of raccoons. They were so cute. Seeing the family together and seeing wildlife in the park that we were working to protect was really special for me that day. After the summer was over, I stayed with SCA and did the school year volunteer program. During the program, we did lots of service learning projects, followed by celebration with s'mores. Yay! I had more opportunities to work on my leadership skills than I did another summer crew position at Coleman Park. The reason why I stay with SCA is to build my leadership skills and to help save the environment. As we are working here today, take the time to yourself to look around at your surroundings and where you're at. Enjoy it and appreciate it. Also, what you want to do, what you really want to do, is connect with it. Thank you.